The brand sent over this X4 Pocket e-reader, and I'm so excited to open this up with you guys. This is the mist gray color, and it is honestly the tiniest, most lightweight little gadget I've ever seen. Let's get into the box and see exactly what it comes with. Right on top, we have the e-reader itself. Holding it in your hand, it literally feels like nothing. It's only about 1/4 of an inch thin and weighs less than 3 ounces. You can easily slide this right into your pocket. Underneath the tray, it comes with the USB-C charging cable, the user manual, and these neat little magnetic stick-on rings so that you can attach it to the back of your phone or other surfaces. It also includes a screen protector, which is awesome. It has 16 gigabytes of storage for thousands of books, physical page turn buttons on the side, and a battery that lasts up to 2 full weeks. It's totally distraction-free, no annoying notifications popping up while you're trying to unwind and read. Now I'm going to carefully smooth out the included screen protector right over the front, peel off the guard layer, and boot it up for the first time. Look at that screen. The e-ink display looks exactly like real paper and has zero glare. It is going to be the absolute perfect little ebook for traveling or tossing in a bag for quick reading breaks. I absolutely love this thing.